Hello students, today again we are going to start with the same exercise which was going on exercise 3.1. Today we will see remaining questions of exercise 3.1 of complex number. So question is show that -1 plus root 3 I cube is real number. So that -1 plus root 3 I cube is a real number means we have to show that the complex number का cube is a real number. यहाँ पे -1 plus root 3 I क्या है? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है. सो अगर हम इसका क्यूब फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो ये क्या होगा? रियल नंबर होगा. ये हमको शो करना है. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट विद द फॉर्मूला -1 plus root 3 I cube. We have to apply a plus b cube का फॉर्मूला. What is a plus b cube? A plus b cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? a plus b cube का फॉर्मूला है. We will apply the same formula for -1 plus root 3i cube. Okay, so -1. What is value of a? Value of a is -1 and value of b is root 3i. Okay, so -1 plus root 3i cube is equal to a के प्लेस में हम लोग -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे और b के प्लेस पे root 3i. और यहाँ पे जो i है वो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर नहीं है. इट इज ध्यान रखो. सो -1 क्यूब प्लस 3 into -1 square into root 3i. 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3a root 3i square plus root 3i cube. Okay, now -1 cube is -1 because minus का odd power is always -1. So -1 cube plus 3 -1 का square is 1 into root 3i. 3 into -1 is -3. Root 3 का square is 3. I का square is I square. Root 3 का क्यूब is 3 root 3. कैसे? देखो यहाँ पे root 3 का क्यूब means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Right? Root 3 का क्यूब means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Now root 3 into root 3 इतना पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा? Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and root 3 बाकी बचा. So root 3 cube is 3 root 3. So root 3 cube is 3 root 3 and I cube as it is. So now we will substitute values of I square and I cube. We know that I square is equal to -1 as I is equal to square root of -1, right? Value of I square is -1. So value of I cube is equal to I square into I. Value of I square is -1 into I. So -1 into I is -I means value of I cube is -I. Now we will substitute values of I square and I cube. So -1, 3 into 1 3, then root 3i, -1 plus 3 root 3i. Now value of I square is -1. So -1 into minus, that will be plus, and 3 3s are 9 plus 3 root 3 I cube. Now value of I cube is -I, right? Value of I cube is -I. So this part will be -3 root 3i, right? Now plus 3 root 3i and -3 root 3i will get cancelled. So 9 minus 1 is 8. ये हमको शो करना था and 8 is nothing but a real number which is a real number. ये हमको शो करना था. Okay, understood? You simply applied a plus b का फॉर्मूला and we get the answer. ये हमको शो करना था. तो आपको यहाँ पे जो बेसिक फॉर्मूला है a plus b क्यूब का बेसिक फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है. नेक्स्ट, evaluate the following. मीन्स यहाँ पे हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? We have to find values of higher order of I. मीन्स I की हायर पावर हमको क्या करना है? वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना है. सो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? देखो यहाँ पे I raised to 35 है. सो जैसे मैंने आपको जो प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया था, जो अगर ऑड में है मीन्स आपको जो पावर I का पावर ऑड में है तो उसको हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले ऑड, इवन एंड ऑड में ब्रेक करेंगे. मीन्स जैसे यहाँ पे 35 है तो 35 में क्या हम लोग ले सकते हैं? I raised to 34 into I, राइट? सो इसको हम लोग स्प्लिट करेंगे. I raised to 34 into I. अब जो यहाँ पे जो इवन पार्ट है, इवन पार्ट को हम 2 के पावर में इजीली ले सकते हैं. इसको हम इवन एंड ऑड में क्यों ब्रेक कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज जो इवन है, इवन को हम लोग 2 के पावर में इजीली ले सकते हैं. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा? I raised to 2 raised to 17 means 17 2s are 34 into I, and value of I square is nothing but -1 that we know into I, since I square is equal to -1 and -1 का odd power is always -1, so -1 into I is -I. So I raised to 35 की वैल्यू हमको क्या मिली? -I. Now I raised to 888. 888 is nothing but even power. So हम इसको even is 2 के फॉर्म में लेंगे. So I raised to 2 raised to 444 means 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 4 2s are 8. Now value of I square is -1 raised to 444 as I square is equal to -1. So -1 raised to 444 means -444 is nothing but even power. So -1 का even power is always 1. So हमको I raised to 888 की वैल्यू क्या मिली? 1. नेक्स्ट इज I raised to 93. अब I raised to 93 क्या है? I का ऑड पावर है, तो इसको हम लोग किस में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं इजीली? I raised to 92 into I, राइट? So now I raised to 92 क्या है? That is even power. So इसको हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. I raised to 2. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आए इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 means 46 into I. अगर आपको डाउट हो तो आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो. Now value of I square is -1 raised to 46 into I. -1 raised to 46 is means -1 का even power is always positive. So 1 into I, that is nothing but I, means I raised to 93 की वैल्यू हमको क्या मिली? -I. Now next question is I raised to 116. I raised to 116 is again even power, तो हम इसको 2 के फॉर्म में लेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हम डिवाइड कर देंगे डायरेक्टली 116 by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So I raised to 258. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि पावर को इससे आपको स्प्लिट करना है तो आप डायरेक्टली क्या करो, उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दो अगर इवन में ही है. ओके, सो I raised to 2 raised to 58. So value of I square is -1 raised to 58. Again -1 का इवन पावर is positive. So I raised to 116 is nothing but I. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे जो हायर पावर ऑफ I है उसकी वैल्यू हम लोग ऐसा फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शो दैट 1 plus I raised to 10 plus I raised to 20 plus I raised to 30 is a real number. यहाँ पे वापस हमको शो करना है मींस जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है इसका एडिशन करने के बाद हमको क्या मिल रहा है? रियल नंबर मिल रहा है. ओके, so first we will find value of I raised to 10, then I raised to 20, then I raised to 30. So solution I raised to 10. So directly we can take I raised to 2 raised to 5. So I raised to 2 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 5, and minus 1 raised to 5 is nothing but minus 1. Now I raised to 20. I raised to 20 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? I raised to 2 raised to 10, because 2 10s are 20. So I raised to 2 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 10, and minus 1 का even power is always positive. Now I raised to 30. I raised to 30 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं I raised to 15, means 15 to the 30. So I raised to 2 raised to 15. So minus 1 raised to 15 and minus 1 raised to 15 is minus 1. Now we will substitute these three values in this equation which is given in the question. So 1 plus I raised to 10 plus I raised to 20 plus I raised to 30 is equal to 1 as it is. Value of I raised to 10 is minus 1. So it is minus 1. Value of I raised to 20 is 1. And value of I raised to 30 is again minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus get cancelled. Answer is 0, and 0 is nothing but a real number, which is a real number. So we can show in this way. Okay, so you have to first find the values of I, then substitute in the given equation, so you will get the final answer. Next question is find the value of I raised to 49 plus I raised to 68 plus I raised to 89 plus I raised to 110. So first we will find the values of higher power of I separately, then we will substitute these values in this equation. Solution I raised to 49 is equal to I raised to 48 into I, right? Now I raised to 48 we can split into power 2. So 48 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, right? So we can write I raised to 2 its power 24 into I. Now I raised to 2 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 24 into I, and minus 1 the even power is always positive, means 1 into I, which is equal to I, means value of I raised to 49 is I. Now next is I raised to 68. Again I raised to 68 is even power, so I raised to 2. Now you can divide 68 by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, means I raised to 2 raised to 34. So I raised to 2 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 34, and minus 1 raised to 34 is 1, because minus 1 the even power is always positive, it means I raised to 68 is 1. Now next I raised to 89. This is odd power, so we'll split in 18 even and odd, means I raised to 88 into I raised to 88 means 2 के पावर हमको लेना है 88 upon 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So I raised to 2 raised to 44 into I. Now I raised to 2 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 44 into I, and minus 1 raised to 44 is nothing but 1 into I. So I raised to 89 is nothing but I. Now I raised to 110. This is even power. So I raised to 110 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, means I raised to 2 raised to 55. Now value of I square is minus 1 raised to 55, and minus 1 raised to 55 is nothing but minus 1. So I raised to 110 is equal to minus 1. Now we will substitute these values in this final equation. So I raised to 49 plus I raised to 68 plus I raised to 89 plus I raised to 110. So I raised to 49, value of I raised to 49 is I, value of I raised to 68 is 1, value of I raised to 89 is I, and value of I raised to 110 is minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. I plus I, that is equal to 2I. Means I raised to 49 plus I raised to 68 plus I raised to 89 plus I raised to 110 is equal to 2I. In this way we can find the value of higher power of I and addition and subtraction of this higher value of I. We can find this type of values in this way. Now next question is find the value of x and y which satisfy the following equation where x and y belongs to real number. Means the value which we will get, that will be real number. Okay. Now the equation is x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y plus 4i is equal to 5. Okay. So we will separate a real part and imaginary part. Here there are two imaginary parts, 2x minus 3y plus 4i. So first we will combine this imaginary part plus 2x minus 3y plus 4i is equal to 5. Now we will compare left hand side and right hand side. So in right hand side there is no imaginary part, so we will take 0. We can write 0i because there is no imaginary part in right hand side. Now we will compare left hand side and right hand side. Therefore x plus 2y is equal to 5 and the second equation will be 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part. So we can write second equation as 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously. So x plus 2y is equal to 5. Before that we can multiply equation 2 by 2. Why? Because there is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. Now we will multiply equation 1 by 2. So it will be 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So it will be 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. And second equation will be as it is. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. Now change the sign. Minus plus plus. 2x minus 2x cancel. 4y plus 3y is 7y. And 10 plus 4 is 14. So value of y is 14 upon 7, that is 2. Now we will substitute y is equal to in any one. So you can substitute y is equal to 2 in any of the equation. So substitute in equation 1. So it will be x plus 2 into 2 is equal to 5. So x plus 4 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 4. So x is equal to 1. Here we are getting xy is equal to 1, 2, which belongs to R. The condition is given in the question only. So you have to cross check whether we are getting this real part. Okay. Here we are getting real number. Okay. So in this way you can find the value of x and y. The second question that is given in the textbook is x plus 1 upon 1 plus I plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I. So how will you solve this question? First you have to cross multiply this equation. After that you will get division of two complex number. After that you have to compare left hand side and right hand side. Then you will get these two equations. Then you have to simultaneously solve. Then you will get value of x and y. Okay. So in this way you can find the value of x and y. Okay. तो ये कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का हमारा फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज था, एक्सरसाइज 3.1. तो आप लोग इस तरीके से एक्सरसाइज 3.1 कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. ओके. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो स्टूडेंट्स लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसी तरीके से आप साथ देते रहें. ओके. थैंक यू.